You know, instinct ko, sana papurihin si Senator Win Gatchalian nung sinabi niyang 16 talaga yung kailangan para makonvict ang impeachable officer. Pero biglang binura sa Facebook niya. I don't know the details so I won't comment there. But the problem is trust Sinabi din nila pa ulit-ulit, kung wala kayong 13, hindi nyo pwedeng palitan yung officers. Hindi lang yung Senate President. The officers are the head of OSAA, the Senate Secretary, Senate President Pro Tempore, which is Senator Loren Legarda, and the Senate President. Pero gumawa sila ng formula na pwede na ang 12 So, yung modern day version ng pinaglalaban during the Spanish-Japanese time, American times na lies. So, during the Spanish times, yung di kayo organized, hindi nyo alam yung gobyerno, you don't know Christianity. So, all of that were partially true, but you didn't need to colonize a country to Christianize a country, di ba? So, yan, very clear yan. You didn't need to make people slaves, whether it's the African Americans or the kind of slavery they had in Asian countries. You didn't have to have slaves to say na it's in the name of Christianity or the name of good governance, di ba? So, yun yung modern version ngayon na 12 is 13. You need 13, but you can justify because you need the Senate and you need to cover up the flood control scam, di ba? So, my point is there is the trust. Ang trust, basta't nandyan, you can work kahit na enemy mo. Pero pag nawala yung trust, so once na paulit-ulit yung mga mananakop sasabihin, we'll give you your freedom, we'll give you your freedom, nakita mong binobola ka rin, di ba? So, ganun din, nung February, nung sinabi nila na wala kayong kaso kapag hindi nyo nilagay si Loren Legarda as Senate President, naniwala yung marami namin kasama. But then, nabuko nila, gagamitin na naman to sa impeachment. Paulit-ulit sinasabi sa amin na ang impeachment, impartial. Pero yung definition pala nila impartial, kailangan i-convict ang Vice President. So, nung lumaban at sinabing, wag lang si Loren, nung ako na nilagay, ayan na naman. Pagka umalis kayo kay Alan, wala na kayong kaso. Pag nandiyan kayo kay Alan, kakasuhan kayo. Diba? That's why nga iba po yung reaction ng pamilya ni Senator Jinggoy because alam nila yung totoo. Talagang na-witness din po nila yung mga tumatawag at mga nagsasabi at mga naggagaranti.